shame on you, to those ones who haven't subscribed, and those ones who wasn't seeing our last video. Yes, to those ones who didn't watch our last videos, I know you're going to ask yourself how I started doing this, and how did I start from the start. But if you follow all those videos that I've been showing you, you can see what Afro Spring is, and I'm explaining everything about Afro Spring. So if you want to catch up with us, please just go right now and check on those videos. You'll be able to see the Afro Spring. So welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and here is I'm going to show you how to cut the Afro Spring. As you can see, there are those tricks that you didn't know that I had to come with, so that I come and show you here. It's all about the finishing, guys. I will always repeat this one, that you should always learn the finishing, because the one that gives you always, like, it gives you credit whenever you do the finishing. So you can look at this Afro Spring the way we always do it, like we've been seeing the videos about the Afro Spring, so it's not new to you. But the only thing here that I forgot to tell you in most of my other videos is the way you're shaping it. This Afro Spring, I came to realize that even if it's not cut, it can still look nice. Try it out, and in fact I'm going to try out also to, like, even if it's not cut, it can still look nice. So we should also try it out. Trust me, you will see the good looking thing. So another thing is, whenever you're trying to cut, please don't try to level the front hair, like to level it on the same size. You understand? You can leave some like you can leave others, the others long, others short. Like you stretch here in front, you see, like I don't make them look like it's, let's say, they are all equal. It's like a wig, you understand? So to make it look natural, you have to leave some long, others short, so that someone won't be like, someone won't tell that it is real something plated, you understand? So that's how you should always cut it. Whenever you're cutting it, please don't make it all the same size. Yeah, you should leave others long, others short, just like that, most especially in front, you understand, in front. So when you're done with that, these pins, the pins that we put on the sides, sometimes they can let's say they won't last long there, like it can't last 3 months when the pins are so there. And I realized that sometimes they're very it's hard for you to keep with them. So the only thing you can do is to sew there with a thread. You understand? So when you sew there, that means you're on the safe side. Yeah. Then it's the anti-itchy oil, that one we've been saying about it. And these simple touch, when you finish your client, at least you make sure you do these small things, like trimming the eyebrows. There are those eyebrows that comes when they are already looking bad, so just trying to shape them. Yeah, I told you last time that whenever you're trying to shape someone's eyebrow, don't cut it all. There are those ones who cut people's eyebrows and they finish everything, but it's not good at all. We just shape, not cutting, like yes, cutting. So as you see here, has the way they had cut it badly. Yeah, so I was just trying to shape it. And when you're done with the shaping, you can still come up with some a little eyebrow gel, yeah, so that at least you feel those missing hair. Yeah, let me try to show you here how you can fill them. So I'm not I'm not doing a makeup tutorial, yeah, but if you want it I can still do it because these are my things, I do them. But I'm showing you just a simple finishing when you even don't have the makeup, but at least you can be having the eyebrow pen. So yeah, at least you leave your client when she's satisfied. These are simple things you can do. You see how I try to fill her eyebrow and they come on this side. Still I do the same thing, just filling them because they were cut badly. So that one also help, yeah. So I think the next time you will ask for the tutorials of makeup, no problem, I can still do it. I told you I'm the person who can do everything, yeah, at least I trust that. Yeah, so when you're done with that, you can still do it that way. And I want to shout out to my friends. Oh my god, there are a lot. I'm getting friends, guys. I'm getting friends. Are those people I see that you be on always, like whenever I post something you be on all the time. Yeah, and I want to thank you so much for loving Hair Zipper, and trust me, we shall be able to learn a lot of things after those ones that I promised to teach you the inside cornrows. Yeah, it's what I'm on, and within this week I'm going to be showing you how to do the inside cornrows, because I told you that the inside cornrows, it is very nice since it can last longer than outside cornrow. So I came to realize that it's very important for me to teach you that, so that we start the journey of crochets when we all know that at least the foundation can last longer. Have you ever asked yourself, like, why sometimes whenever you plait crochets they come out very quickly? So those are the things. At times it's the cornrow that you plait, and another thing it's the bad cornrow. You might plait a cornrow when it's not favorable for the crochet that you're going to do. So I've been teaching all that. I think those ones who watched my first videos, I showed you that if a big crochet is if a crochet that you're going to do is big, then the cornrows are also supposed to be big, and if it's small, then the cornrows are also supposed to be small. You can't just bring the big crochets and you put them on the small cornrow. Trust me, there it might break your hair or it will come out as soon as possible. So those are the some tricks and simple mistakes that we do, not knowing that not knowing what happens after. So we should be very careful when it comes to crochet. I know everyone can plait crochets, but the only thing is those simple things that we don't need to always forget. So this is how we cut our afro spring. You see how it looks. The some that are going the long and short, you understand? You just try to mix it up like that, not making it straight, like cutting it at the same level. That one it won't look natural. So this is how we do. Trust me, to those ones who have been following me from the start, at least if you're getting something, please try to go in my comment section and appreciate. It's good to appreciate, so that I also get the energy of giving you a lot of hairstyles. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and if you want our Instagram me in my personal account, it's Maurice the Hair Zipper. We can chat. I love you so much, and bye bye. See you.